video, I am going to test Kolmogorov-Smirnov test of exponential, gamma and Weibull distribution using our software. The two-sample KS test is one of the most useful and general non-parametric methods for comparing two samples. KS statistics are as follows. Ks equal to supremum of f and x minus f naught x, where f and x and f naught x are the empirical distribution function of the first and the second sample respectively. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov statistic quantifies a distance between the empirical distribution function of the sample and the cumulative distribution function of the reference distribution, or between the empirical distribution function of two samples. For KS test, here I am using one secondary dataset, that means X. Or for generating random numbers of exponential distribution, here I am using one command E equal to REXP bracket 1000, 0.5. Here 1000 is the sample size and 0.5 is the parameter of the exponential distribution. Or for KS test, I am using the command ks.test bracket E, X. Now select the command and go for run. So here you see the KS value is 0.37213 and P value is 1.487 e to the power minus 07. Similarly, for generating random numbers of gamma distribution, here using the command z equal to r gamma bracket 1000, 0.5, 1. Here 1000 is the sample size and 0.5 and 1 are the two parameters of the gamma distribution. Similarly, here using the test, KS test, command ks.test bracket g, x. Now select the command and run. So here ks equal to 0.75776 and p value less than 2.2 e to the power minus 16. For Weibull distribution, I am select the command and run and see the KS value is 0.38889 and P value is 8.662 e to the power minus 06. In this way, we can test KS test for exponential, gamma and Weibull distribution. Thank you for watching.